how to enable Bitcoin on Cash App on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually enable the Bitcoin deposits and withdrawal on Cash App on your Android phone. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now, of course, let's say that you have Cash App, you want to make Bitcoin withdrawals and you find the option on an iOS device, but you don't find it on your Android. Well, that's not how it works. It's just because that there are a couple of steps that you need to take. That is that you just need to open the Cash App on your phone. Then once you launch Cash App, to come to your Bitcoin tab, normally you would see the Bitcoin icon from the bottom, right? But as you can see, I don't have the Bitcoin icon, so I'm going to come to my home page here. Then here you'll find buy Bitcoin, and then here you can see a couple of other things that I can do. So basically I can select buy Bitcoin, and then I can select buy Bitcoin basically. Then once I do that, I have to simply enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that I want to buy, and then I just have to tap on the next option. Once I do that, it is going to ask me for my mobile number to continue, and after I verify my mobile number, you also need to verify your identity to buy Bitcoin. And after you verify both your mobile number and your identity, you'll be able to enable the Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits option. And that is it for today's video on how you can enable Bitcoin on Cash App on Android. For that, you have to verify your Cash App account. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.